saying I believe I can fly while you do that? We pick up weights.
And
We put weights down. If they want coffee and talk, honey, they'd go to a different show.
Oh, shut up.
Welcome to Workouts at Home, where we show you how to get in shape.
At home?
That's how we do it around here. We got in shape at home. We think you can get in shape at home, and we're going to show you how to do it. We've got a special series for you right now on how to build muscle, and we're doing that with, number one, we're doing it with resistance bands. Number two, we're doing it in 10 minutes. Can you believe that? 10-minute workouts to build muscle. Ladies, don't turn it off yet. I know you're thinking about changing it.
No, you want to tone it up, and this is the episode for you. This is for back. Summer's coming up, and you want to wear strapless dresses, and you want to wear swimsuits. You want to be toned up.
One line. You don't want flab right there.
Nope, you don't.
And you don't want hair either. So we'll have a shaving episode. Ew. Okay. All right. So this is how it goes today. We're going to do 5 exercises. Yeah, we're going to do 5 exercises. We're going to do those twice over. And so once we hit the timer, we're not going to stop. Sarah, tell them what they're going to do. I'm going to set the timer going.
We're going to get bent over rows in first, and we're going to be bent over, pulling on the band with one hand for 30 seconds on one side, and then we're going to switch sides and do the other one for 30 seconds. We're going to do Supermans, and I'm going to come down to the bottom camera, and you're going to be laying out on your belly, and you can lift up your arms and legs for 1 minute.
You have to sing I Believe I Can Fly while you do that.
And then we're going to do seated rows, and you're going to have a band in your upper anchor.
Take your clip, what Sarah just did there. Take your clip if you have adjustable. If you don't, that's okay. But if you do, put your clips together so your handles are stuck together like this.
And pull towards you. That's it. Simple exercises. You sit down and you pull on your band. It won't seem that simple after a while, but it'll hurt. Then we're going to do back extensions. So you're going to need a band on your lower anchor, right?
Yeah, you're right. And then you're going to stand up.
Whoop. Stand up. And you're going to just bend over and stand up. That's it. That's the only movement you have to do.
We pick up weights.
And we
put weights down. Okay.
You remember chin-ups in high school? Yeah. We don't do those. We do them with resistance.
Speak for yourself.
You do. I don't.
I do them on that door right there. Okay, so pull downs are like a chin-up, but you're going to use the bands.
Yep. And you're going to put your hands with your palms facing down.
That's
and
a pull-up chin-up like that, but it's fine.
Oh.
It's all the same. You're all good. It's all the same.
And you're going to bring your elbows around and down.
Okay, that's enough talk. We should have given you plenty of time to go get your workout clothes on. Don't forget, we have these in a series. You'll want to subscribe to the channel, and if you want the series put together, we'll have it in a playlist for you, but if you want it put together in a weekly deal to see how to put these 10-minute workouts together, go over to Patreon, and you can jump in on Patreon, and we'll put those together in a calendar for you.
Yep.
So, all right, grab your single band. Mine's right here. I'm using a purple. There's 2 ways to do this. I'm going to show you one way. I'm not certain how Sarah's going to do it.
I'm going to double the band over.
Yeah.
And I'm going to step on it this way.
Yeah. I'm going to do it on just one side of the band. Here we go. We're hitting start.
All right, let's go.
You got 10 seconds. I'm going to use the bench to help for a little balance.
Yeah, that's a good
It also
idea.
helps support my lower back. Now, notice, look, I'm grabbing real close to the end of one side. That way I'm already stretched at the bottom.
Why am I using one band doubled over? Because we don't have another band that's heavy enough on one side.
That timer doesn't ding at each minute. We'll have to watch it.
Okay. So breathe out as you pull up. We're only doing this side for 30 seconds, and then we're going to switch sides. We're going to have to run around each other.
Reach for your back pocket. Switch for me.
All right, run. Okay. You didn't know you were going to get cardio and back at the same time?
Now look, pull for your back pocket. See that? That's how you're going to make sure you hit that right spot on your back. Like you're reaching up for your back pocket, like you're going for your wallet. Your hand kind of runs up your thigh. But what we're really doing is making sure that your arm stays in a good position.
Ooh. Say it's too tight, you can lengthen your band a little bit and step off of part of it. Be ready for Superman.
Here we go, to the floor. Superman game.
Yep.
All right. On your belly. And up.
And down. Up and down. Lift your arms and legs up. Lay them down on the ground. Hold them up there for just a second.
Notice that we didn't say lift your hands and feet. You're bending on your back. You're pulling your back. That's what's stretching that muscle. You got 34 seconds of this. Well, you had a minute, but we're down to 30. Well, now we're down to 29. I can't keep up. That clock just keeps going.
Keeps counting backwards. So breathe out while you hold up. Like that. And this will work your lower back. Actually, it works like a lot.
5 seconds. All right, and we switch.
All right, we've got
Seated
seated rows.
rows. Clip your bands together if you can. You'll like it more. Or you'll hate it more.
Right?
Here we go. Sit on your rear end. By the way, we're doing these from the upper door anchor.
You should have an upper door anchor in your pack, or just a door anchor, period.
Even cheap bands come with a door anchor. Go get a set of bands from Walmart. They'll have a door anchor in there.
Slip your door anchor in, lock your door. Make sure it's a good, strong door if you're going to use a door. We're using a pole because it's what supports our house, so it's got to be strong enough for us to pull on, right?
That or we're going to pull our house down like Samson. I don't know, one of the two.
Right.
Okay,
I'm
you got
sure
20 seconds.
I'm sure our little human bodies are going to pull down our house.
Now, while we're finishing this one with 10 more seconds, notice Sarah's got her legs straight. I've got my knees bent. That's because my back, when I do back exercises, that can hurt my back real easy. One more. So I'll bend my legs. It won't hurt my back so much.
All right, so back
Stand up.
extensions. You're gonna
Grab your band right at the clip. Stand up. You bend over at the hip. Point your head at the door. Your nose right to your door. Stand up again. So you're at the lower door anchor on this one.
up and down. That's
Say,
it.
I only had one door anchor. Justin, how do I do this with only one door anchor? Pause the video. Magic
Move
of
your door
television. Pause the video, move your door anchor. Hit play again.
Just don't stop. Make sure you come back to it. Next, we're going to have pull downs. We're going to be using that upper anchor again, and we're going to unclip our bands so that they're not together, so that we can have that wide grip, and we can pull it down. So our elbows back and around. Almost there, guys.
One more. All right, unclip your bands on that upper door anchor. Make sure you've got your handle separated is what I mean. Down to one knee. I like to keep one knee in front. Pull out and to the side.
I like to do this for about 30 seconds, and then I like to switch my knees because I feel like I'm working my leg when I do this, so I'm not really. I just don't want one leg bigger than the other. I want to be nice and even. You keep that leg out for support to help protect your lower back as you do this. You want to keep your abs in tight. And breathe out as you pull down and bring your elbows back and around.
You didn't switch 30 seconds.
Oh, I didn't. Oh no, I lost track of time. I was
Now
too
you'll
busy
be
talking.
uneven.
No, I don't want one leg bigger than the other. One leg.
I don't think it works that way.
I don't know. Woo-wee.
And that's it.
We gotta switch it back to the beginning. Bent over rows. Grab your single band, your free band.
By the way, you can do this with weights right now. You can do bend over rows with a single dumbbell.
Woo! I think I'm gonna step on that band a little bit. That's getting heavy. I thought for sure that this would stay light enough, but goodness gracious, the second time around, my muscles are fatigued and my mouth is not stopping. We gotta switch.
Yep.
Maybe if I keep talking, it'll help distract me from the tenseness in my back.
If y'all haven't noticed this, we start out the workouts, I'm loud and talking. Sarah's quiet.
Yeah, and then we switch
And
it up.
somehow about halfway through she lights up
Because there's a light at the end of the tunnel.
and I can't talk anymore.
We got 2 seconds, one, and then we're going to Superman.
Land
You're
early.
done with this free band. Throw it off to the side, out of your way entirely. So you don't fall on it.
Up. Up. If they want coffee and talk, honey, they'd go to a different show.
Oh, shut up. You know what? I'm not even drinking any coffee right now. Oh. All the way up. And hold it. Hold it. Ugh. Try to keep your legs straight. I notice I'm bending mine.
Good point.
Point your toes.
25 seconds.
That's it?
Yeah.
Right, we can do this. Up and down. That's it. You're just moving your arms and legs up and down. It's all about time under tension. Just doing the same movement over and over again.
5 seconds. Let's get 2 more. 1, 2.
Seated rows are next.
Grab
So-
that upper door anchor. Flip your bands together if you can.
That's what I like about these body elastics bands, these carabiner clips. I'm not really sure why I like to straighten my legs out. Maybe I like the stretch.
Yeah, it makes my lower back hurt.
It doesn't bother me. You can lean back just a little bit so that your chest is at a 90-degree angle, so that when you stick your arms out, they're at a 90-degree angle with your...
But clipping the bands together like this, it forces your hands close, which keeps your elbows close to your body,
Right.
which helps you to work the right muscle right up under here, right under your trap, or not your traps, but your lats.
Giving you that really nice look if you're in a strapless dress, or guys if you're in a no shirt or a tank top too.
Yeah, this is what's gonna, these pulls like this is what's gonna help create that V taper on your back. That's it, we got to switch.
Oh, back extension,
Reach
guys.
down, grab your lower door anchor, your band on your lower door anchor. Don't just grab the door anchor itself, that'd be weird.
Yeah, that would, you probably hit your head.
Point your nose to the door when you bend over, bend at the hip, pull up from the hip. Bend at the hip, pull up from the hip. So you're not, this isn't in the bottom of your legs, this is right at your lower back.
You can bend your legs just slightly.
Try, it's gonna happen a little, but try not to bend your back. Try to keep your back straight and pull up with a straight back, bend over with a straight back. That's why it's coming from the hips. And that's gonna strengthen your lower back.
Nice and slow and methodical. Making sure you get that form down right. It's very important that you work this correctly because you can hurt yourself. If you feel it starting to light up
5
a little
seconds.
bit, that's what you're looking for. We're gonna have pull downs next.
One more, pull. Oh.
You want your back to light up a little bit, but too much is not good.
But you are working your back. I mean,
Yeah,
there's
so
supposed
it's
to
gonna
be
hurt a little.
some burn in your back.
All right, bring your elbows out and around, and this is it. We've got less than a minute, only 40 seconds-ish. A little over 40 seconds. Out and around. Bring those elbows out and around. Working that back. All right, I'm gonna switch legs. It's been about 30 seconds. Breathe out as you pull down. In as you let it in. Don't let it just rip you back in. Slowly bring it back to place. Don't just let it like that. Part of this is pulling down and part of it is
Oh,
slowly
the screen
letting
went
go.
off.
Uh-oh.
Just keep pulling until the sound goes.
He must have his timer set so the screen doesn't fall asleep. So the screen will fall asleep.
Oh.
That's it. 10 minutes.
Whew.
Okay.
All right. Hope you enjoyed that. Leave it in the comments. We want to know how you did. Are you using bands? Are you using weights? Did
Make sure
have to
you stretch your
modify?
back.
Yeah, go do a stretch video. We're not doing stretching these because we're keeping these at 10 minutes for the workout. But go and do one of our stretch videos. Don't forget, we've got these in a series for you. This How to Build Muscle series. Subscribe to the channel. We want you to subscribe. Support the channel by subscribing.
And check us out on Patreon.
Yeah, and check Patreon and all the stuff. Instagram, too.
Yep, Instagram at Whoa365.
Tell them we got to go.
Yep, we gotta go.